Hi everyone. Today I want to show you a house tour of where we've been living for the past year in Florida. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit and it was built in the 1960s. There's definitely some pros and cons with a building of this age. I think the unit has a lot of character and definitely has some of those mid-century vibes, but also not everything in the building works properly and there's no washer or dryer in the unit. However, it does get beautiful natural light, it's got gorgeous views outside, and it's across the street from the beach. In terms of storage, I think it could have been a lot more efficient if we had just purchased maybe a desk or some dresser, but because we didn't really have a lot of furniture, we did have to make some compromises when it came to storing items. From the front door, there is a kitchen to the left, but we'll start in the main living area. We have a mustard linen sofa bed and 2 white floor tables with floor seating. Across from that is our TV with an extra chair. This is a very beautiful terrazzo floor, original from the 1960s. The walls are concrete block and the ceilings are very high as well. Outside the unit was a shaded porch overlooking the community pool and garden. To the right of the main living area is the only bedroom. One downside to this room, however, was that since the windows were still original to the unit, we weren't allowed to ever open them. There is no bed because we sleep on Japanese futons which are in the closet. The closet is a good size. On one side we have my husband's clothing. We both keep our off-season and ski clothing in black boxes on the top shelf. On this side is my maternity capsule wardrobe and our futons. Coming out of the bedroom is a small hallway with a linen closet on the right and a bathroom on the left. Living so close to the ocean, I hated to keep my camera gear on the floor, but this space worked best for it. Above that we had my swim stuff, some sleep stuff, a hot rice pack and activewear, and above that were my undershirts and garments and accessories. The next 2 shelves are my husband's clothes and accessories. I have my own business as a certified KonMari consultant, and up here are a lot of my business papers, as well as birthing class materials, diplomas, and other important papers and cards. Across from the linen closet is the bathroom. I really love the small pink tiles in this room. They're also original to the 1960s and have a lot of character. In the medicine cabinet, I keep skincare, makeup, and other toiletries. And inside the vanity, we have some extra stock of shampoo, bug spray, sun cream, extra oral wellness products, clothing care items, and my hair straightener. The pink continues in the kitchen, which still has its original cabinets, although some alterations and updates have been made to this space. In the back corner, you can see my Berkey water filter. This is absolutely essential for us. If you want more information about it, I will leave that in the description. Above the drying rack, we have my teacups and teapots, a shelf for food storage items, and my Japanese tea ceremony items. Now there's only 2 drawers in this whole kitchen, and the other one is super tiny, so I did my best to arrange this as practically as I could. Underneath is our pot, mixer, bamboo steamer, and cake stand. For whatever reason, this kitchen inspired me to do a lot of baking. Above the sink we had our glassware and dishes. We kept half of them out of reach to encourage us to wash our plates throughout the day. Under the sink was cleaning supplies. I make my own sprays, and we'll link a video on that in the cards. Adjacent to the dishes we have our pantry items. I like to contain them in boxes so they're easy to slide in and out of the shelves. Then directly behind that on the other side we have a thin cabinet for coffee, tea, and spices. Below that is the only other drawer in the kitchen where we keep our immersion blender. And below that we keep our cooking oils and extra jars. Under the oven is our roasting pan. On top of the stove is our tea kettle and vintage cast iron pan. Above that, we keep our casserole dishes. To the left of the oven, we keep our stock pantry items and toaster. Underneath is a microwave that we never use, a fruit bowl, and a coconut bowl where we keep loose change and keys. Underneath that is our trash and recycle area, and in the back we keep some grilling supplies and extra garbage bags. Here we keep our kitchen towels, cleaning rags, aprons, and essential oil items. In the cabinet below the counter, we kept a bag for potatoes, supplements, and used towels and rags, and some other household items on the top back shelf. Coming out of the kitchen, there were two closets. In the closet to the left, we kept our coats and shoes, but you can see up top we jammed a cloth hammock, our books, our sleeping bags, and beach towels. We were pretty into exploring and camping at various state parks. To the right, we kept our drying rack, cleaning tools, penny boards, suitcases, camping gear, Christmas stuff, and the last of my childhood boxes from my mom's house that I was still sorting through.